Hi. So today I'd like to talk about one of Tiance's most popular favorite teas, Lushan Clouds and Mist. Lushan is a unique tea. It has so much cloud and mist growing on the mountain, they say you never see the true face of Lushan. And that cloud is blocking direct sunlight. So you never get burnt, crispy leaves. You actually get the opposite. The moisture from the clouds is constantly nourishing these tiny little buds. And what that does is creates this buttery, creamy, intense richness that all of us love so much. I'm using what's called a gaiwan. Gaiwan is the traditional tea-making tool of China. Gaiwan just means lidded teacup or lidded tea bowl. This tool gives me more control over the flavor of the tea. I can use the lid to extract more flavor by pushing the leaves back, and I can also see the color of the brew, which is a great indication for when the tea is ready. With Lushan, you use a special method called top-down. So I'm going to add the water first. Typically, you would go ahead and just add your leaves right away and then add the water afterwards. But we want to cool the water down even further. And then we're going to add the leaf to the water instead of the water to the leaf. This is going to prevent the leaves from burning and slowly introduce them to the water. A good example of this is if you had a bath and you slowly ease yourself into that bath. That same temperature water, if you use it coming down from a shower, you'd probably burn yourself. So we add our leaf and it'll slowly come into contact with the water, extracting more of the essential oils and less of the tannins and astringency. Another key factor with green tea is you don't want to oversteep it. Typically 1 minute is a good steep time. And take a look, and I can already see the leaves starting to open up and unfurl. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the lid to rotate the leaf. This is going to give you more richness and complexity. One of the expert techniques is actually, as I've opened the lid, I can actually smell the aroma. And an expert actually can tell from the aroma, that's a direct reflection of the flavor of the tea. And I can tell it's just about ready. When you're pouring from a gaiwan, you want to use 3-finger method, 2 fingers on the side, and then 1 here on the top. And then I pour all on the wrist. With a tea of this grade, you not only want to steep it 1 time, you want to get at least 3 to 4 steepings. I can really smell that chestnut aroma. And I can even see the liquid itself is thicker than most teas. There's a certain viscosity there that you don't find with other teas.